All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Florida Scrapper channel. Getting ready to go out and see if we can't hit the streets, find some scrap metal, load up tonight, have more to load in tomorrow, get paid, make a little bit of money. I hope everybody's had a pretty good weekend. It is Sunday afternoon, which means the weekend's almost over. The weather has turned out really nice today. It's been in the mid-70s all day. Been beautiful. I hope everybody else has had a great weekend. Let's get started. Let's go find some junk. Spot a few things. Nice box of metal racks. What else do we have over here? Foot bath. Just want the cord. Vacuum cleaner cord. TV cord. Another little vacuum cleaner. Little metal rack. There's an ironing board. A few odds and ends. Get us started anyway. And the stroller. Oh, not a bad start. See if I can find some more to add to it. Well, I spotted me a little something. I'm not going to take that. Not going to take the boards. But I will take the kitty bike. No, not going to do it. Going to take up too much room and not going to weigh enough. All right, down the road. Oh, spot me something. Rusty old bird cage. Too bad this ain't in better shape. No, the cage don't look too bad. How you doing? Yes, ma'am, I can take it. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Well, the young lady says she's got a washer. I'll take a washer. Give me my finger back. Let me try folding it up a little bit. I can pile this, make a little bit more room in the back. All right, let's see. She got to move her van and I'll pick it up. Oh, forgot to turn the camera on. He just rolled that out, and he says he's got a car battery. Thank you, man. Oh.
It ain't pretty, but
That's all right. It's just going for scrap.
Cool.
Thank you, sir. You folks have a good evening. Old Maytag washer. Hey, rolled that out to me on a furniture dolly. That's pretty slick. All right, looking for more. Oh, a little more. Another fan and a cord. Looking for more. Oh, a little something. A little bit of something. Old CD rack. All right, I don't know what it is. Is it metal? Is it plastic? Is it plastic? But it's got a cord. Well, I didn't even bring my cutters. Let me grab my cutters and whack that little bit of cord off of there. And let's see if we can find something else. Oh, something I passed up on earlier. Now I'm going to pick some up. Some metal shelves. I got some screens here. Oh, let me see if I can't get these shoved in down here. Now the reason I'm picking these up and I didn't pick up the other ones is because I'm almost done with my scrap route. And of course I'd rather have something on the truck better than nothing. Throw a strap over these. These things are so lightweight. they'll sit. And we'll see if we can pick up something else before the day is over. Oh, I spies me something shiny. It's like the bottom of the table. I think we can get that on there. Maybe. Oh yeah. Anything else? No. No. No, nothing for me. A little something. On the road. All right, that's it. What to pick up? Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot of weight anyway. Got this old bird cage with the stand and the tray. It's all rusted out. Got a box of metal wire racks. I'm not sure what they're for, but... And I picked up a bunch of these vent covers, actually. Guy walked these out, had them in a garbage bag, and gave them to me. And we got a washer, a couple metal shelves. What else we get? A fan, bicycle. Oh, there's a stroller in there and an ironing board. Oh, and a battery. So not a whole lot tonight, but more to add to the load tomorrow. So that's going to do it for me. Until tomorrow, until the next time.